Hey, it's David Farmer, and today we're talking Facebook inventory advertising. Now, a lot of people get confused about the difference between Facebook Marketplace and Facebook inventory advertising. So, Facebook Marketplace is a free to use platform that you can upload your inventory, kind of similar to how Craigslist works. It's going to be an open marketplace where customers or where people can really sell anything, including automobiles. So if we were to look at Facebook Marketplace, you could go into Facebook, go to Marketplace, do a vehicle search, and there's going to be a mix of dealers listings there. There's going to be a mix of private posting from individual consumers, and you're going to have you would have the availability to look through and search for vehicles. And then from there, you're going to have a nice interface to be able to look at different vehicles inside of Google or inside of Facebook Marketplace. But for customers to be able to find that, they have to go out and search for inventory that you have inside of Marketplace. Facebook inventory advertising is a different animal altogether. What this allows you to do is take your inventory, put them into sponsored posts or advertisements that would be available to customers based on how you would target customers right in their news feed, really gaining access to their eyeballs, where they're going to be, when they're going to be searching. So I wanted to share with you a couple different ways that you can utilize Facebook inventory advertising and how that actually works. I have this set up right here so I can share my phone screen with you. Let me go ahead and get that set up so you can do that. So right now what we're looking at is we are looking at Facebook Marketplace. And you can see here that we do have one of our dealerships inventories. This is a sponsored inventory ad that would also show up right in Marketplace. So you can advertise in Newsfeed and in Marketplace as well right there. Now, if a customer found a vehicle that they had interested, they could open that up, and really a very nice presentation of that vehicle to customers as they are looking at making a purchase for a vehicle. Now, on the other hand, if I am a customer and I'm in Facebook and I'm going through a news feed and all of a sudden I see an advertisement for vehicle inventory, here is an example of what that inventory feed ad unit is going to look like. It's going to allow a dealership to integrate their inventory right into Facebook through a catalog that's created. Now, this is something that you could do by yourself. You could use your inventory management system to create a Facebook feed, or there's plenty of advertising agencies like ourselves that would be more than happy to do it for you. Now, some of the benefits of using a company like ours, we really have a deep understanding of the inventory platform inside of Facebook. And one of the pet peeves I see quite a bit is when I see these inventory ads, typically you have a photo that's going to be more of a rectangle shape or aspect ratio, more of like a rectangle. And the images that need to be utilized inside of Facebook is going to be a square. So you have the ability to create a frame overlay that's going to be that 1080 by 1080 square that's going to go right on top of that, that preview image for your inventory. So you can see that you're getting this full page presentation. Now, other things that you can do with Facebook is if you use the Facebook pixel and you place that on a dealership's website, that smart pixel is going to track what vehicle a customer utilizes. And depending on how you have your ads set up inside of the Facebook advertising platform, you'd be able to tailor that experience. For example, you can see right here, all I'm looking at is a variety of Corollas because I'm a Corolla customer based on the content that I viewed on the dealership's website. Now, a couple other things I wanted to share with you on how we at Intice utilize the technology from Shopper Express right in the Facebook advertising. As you can see, each one of these vehicles include a payment. Now, this is going to be an actual payment for that specific vehicle based on the defaults that we have set up. And right from here, one style of ad that we use is what we call a deal maker ad. So from here, I can go in here and I can configure the deal by bringing that customer right into our digital retailing technology, allowing the customer to convert into a lead and then walk into that digital retailing experience right in Facebook. That's without leaving Facebook. That's not going to the dealership's website. That's bringing them right into this very rich experience. So that's a way that you can utilize the Intice Dealmaker or Shopper Express technology by creating this very rich customer experience right inside Facebook. Now, we do have another type of ad unit that we can utilize. This is where it is utilizing the VDP URL in addition to those images that we're downloading into Facebook programmatically. And then from here, when a customer finds a vehicle that they have interest in, they can click right on it, and we're going to deliver that customer right into the dealership's website, deep linking that right into a VDP, providing really this great mobile experience right on the VDP and getting access to a bunch of different lead conversion technologies, whether it's Trade Value Express, the ability to get a free credit score. All of these tools are going to work seamlessly right inside of Facebook itself. So providing a very lead conversion rich experience right in Facebook, right through the dealership's website. So wanted to just take a few minutes today and clear up some confusion between inventory ads and Facebook Marketplace. You can have your inventory in both places. Facebook Marketplace is more of a marketplace where your cars are going to be in and around a bunch of different inventory from different dealerships. But Facebook inventory advertisements is specifically taking your inventory, getting them into the Facebook news feed, and then providing a very rich customer experience after that. As always, we really appreciate your time as you participate by watching these videos. If you got some value out of this vehicle, I'd love for you to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you click on the notification bell, you'll be notified anytime that we upload new content to our YouTube channel. Again, as always, really appreciate your time. You'll find this video among many others on Intice.com.